ये मुझे फोन ले
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, I'm
Good
so
morning, ma'am.
yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so late. Actually, I was getting some problem. Well,
She's my sister.
oh, wow.
Wow, she's so small.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Yes.
Khatisha.
She's so small.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Ayat. Good morning, Mariam. Good morning, Amna, Asma, Ahmadur, Mariam. Again, one more Mariam and Ufaida. So, how are you doing? How are you today? Ufaida, what's that?
हाँ फोन ले
Ufaida, unmute yourself. Then only I can hear you, beta. You're muted.
In gift box.
Oh, wow. Who gave you?
I made
You
it
made?
myself.
Oh, how? You're looking so cute in that hijab. You're looking so cute. Yeah, Rufaida. Hello, Ibrahim. How are you? Ibrahim, how are you?
क्या हुआ कल उसका फोन आ रहा था बोलते बार बार
Khadija, Mariam, how are you?
Now it is a purse
Thank you
now.
for asking.
Good morning, ma'am.
Gift converted, gift turned into purse. Good morning, Ahmed.
क्या हुआ मम्मा
Because I'm doing.
Okay.
ये अंकल
Ayat,
Yes, ma'am.
सासी चावल लेने
is your brother or sister? Is she your sister? Is he your Who is he or
Sister,
she?
ma'am.
Okay.
She's my sister.
She's your sister. Good morning, Asma. Amna, how are you?
हाँ पुलिस लेके गए
Asma?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Asma.
फिर दाल लेके तो चाय
Amna? Okay. So, Amna, how are you?
मतलब कैसा हूँ अपने ऊपर जरा भी नहीं लेनी
Asia, why is Asia not joining? Yeah. Ibrahim, how are you? Fine, doing well. Everybody had your breakfast? Everybody? Thumbs up. If you had a breakfast, give me a 2 thumbs up. If you didn't, like this.
Yes.
If you had a breakfast, like this. If you didn't have it, like this. How many of you had it? I had it. I had it. That's why I'm doing this. What about others?
I have.
Okay, Rufaida had it. Amna, you didn't? That's bad. Mariam, you didn't? Mariam Gola, you didn't? That's really bad. What about Asma? Yes. You had your breakfast? Or you didn't? You didn't? Where did Asma go? Okay. Chalo, should we start with ICT?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
many of you have joined. Yes. What did we do in the last class? Who will tell me? Let me see.
Ma'am, I want to tell you, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Mariam, I'm
We
listening.
learned about the mouse. Ma'am, I want to tell.
Yeah, tell Rufaida. Yeah,
We
Rufaida.
learned how to
Yeah, mouse.
mouse.
How you use mouse?
Mouse.
Remember? Yes, mouse. And why it is called mouse? Anybody? Why it is called mouse? Yeah,
Mariam.
It looks a bit like a mouse.
Wait, Mariam,
It
wait,
has a
Mariam.
tail like a mouse.
Yes, Ayat. Yes, the real mouse has the real mouse has a tail, na?
This
Yes,
is
the
my
real mouse.
brother's mouse.
Yes. Okay. So today we will do a little bit worksheet we will do. Okay? Have you learned about different parts of computer? You have been doing this from the start of the year. Different parts of computer. What are the parts of computer? Who will tell me? What are the different parts of computer?
Keyboard, monitor,
Okay.
CPU, and mouse, and screen.
Okay. Now, Mariam, would you like to answer? Yeah, Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My mouse is called the mouse because it has a lot.
Oh, I didn't ask this, Mariam. Yeah, Ahmed. I asked the parts of the
Ma'am,
Rufeda, tell.
it is parts of a computer, is parts of keyboard
Very
and
nice.
mouse.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is the
And
kept in front
enter.
of you? Rufeda, what is kept in front of you? Tell me what is kept in front
Yes,
of you.
ma'am.
What is kept in front of you? Monitor. You have a laptop or you have a laptop or a computer? Tell me, beta. What do you have?
Computer.
Okay, okay. Monitor. Hello, Kabir. How are you? Amna? Asma, what are you dreaming, beta? Yeah, Asma, what are you dreaming? Asma, tell us about your dream, Asma.
Yes.
Yeah. You are dreaming something, Asma?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, what are you dreaming? What are you thinking about? Tell me. Work? Chalo. So today first we will do a little bit revision of hard commands. Let me see how many of my kids are smart. Okay, the rules for the quiz is everybody have to first mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Look, Ahmed is very sincere.
Ma'am, I'm already
Muted himself. Yes, very nice. Rufaida, mute yourself. Rufaida, mute yourself. Kabir, Tawheed, mute yourself. Ibrahim, mute yourself. Amna, mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
I am not mute.
Okay. Tawheed, mute yourself. Very nice. Mariam Gola, mute yourself.
And 14.
Okay. Tell me how many of you can see this.
Ma'am, can I say?
Everybody will get the chance. But the rules is first everyone has to mute yourself and raise your hand.
Timing
Okay.
soon, ma'am.
Chalo. First, I can only see Rufaida raising her hand and Tawheed raising his hand. And okay. Yeah. 2 participants raised. Oh wow. First, Khatija also raised her hand. Tawheed, very nice. Even Mariam, oh wow, lovely. We'll go line by line. Okay, first, I would like Tawheed to answer. Yeah, Tawheed, chalo. This, you have to match the computer parts with its name. I've already done for one. This is called monitor and I've matched it. What is the second one called? Yeah, Tawheed. You have to look it for the option.
Oh, this is monitor.
Okay, what about this second one? What is it? Think.
Machine.
It's a?
Print machine.
So can I say it's a printer? It's a?
Ma'am, brain
Yeah.
of computer CPU.
Yes, wait. Now, I want, who will answer? Yeah, Rufaida. Third is your chance. Tell me, Rufaida. What is this? What is it? Tell me.
Ma'am, it is a keyboard.
Very nice. Lovely. Keyboard.
Provide energy.
Chalo. Now, Ahmed Noor, you don't know the other. Who would like to try? Let me see the hands. Let me see the next one. Kabir. Good morning. Asya, long time, beta. Where were you? Are stop it. Otherwise, I won't play this game with you. Huh? I want everybody to first mute yourself and raise your hand. We'll go according to the rules.
primary function of carbohydrate.
Yeah. Why it's not? Chalo. Now, the next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Mariam Mohammad Ismail, your turn. Chalo, Mariam, tell me. This is what?
Ma'am,
What is
I
this?
want to tell.
Yes, yes, I'll give everything. Mouse, but I have to search. Where is mouse? Yes, I got the mouse. Here. Now, Ahmad Noor. Tell me, Ahmad Noor, what is this?
Ma'am, can I tell? Can I tell?
Wait, everybody will get the chance. Ahmad Noor, tell me this. What is
Ma'am,
this?
I want to tell.
Think, Ahmad. Think. What is it? How does it? Okay, okay, Ahmad, I'll give you one hint. You can, when you play a song, it plays very loudly.
Speaker, ma'am.
Yes, speaker. Very nice. Very good. My kids are clever, very intelligent. Now, who will answer?
Ma'am, can I say? I did not say.
Okay, I want.
Ma'am, yeah.
Okay, Amna, tell me. Amna, tell me. Yeah, Amna.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, Amna. Say I'm listening. I want to hear it from you. What is this? Very nice. Very nice. Chalo. This is done.
Ma'am, Asma did not get chance.
What are you saying?
Asma did not get. I did not get chance.
You will get it. I have another one also. Now look. Now here, what we have to do? Kids, listen first. Look, here, what we have to do? You have to devise, or you have to put, you have to tick on the electronic device. You understand, machine? Wait.
I want.
Wait.
I want.
Arey Baba, wait first. Let me complete the question. The question over here is, you have to click on the electronic device, on the machines, which do certain thing for you, which makes your life easy. Okay. So first thing. Okay, what is this? Can anybody tell me what's this? Who would like to try? Khatija, would you like to try?
TV.
It's not TV.
Ma'am, I want to try.
It's a digital clock.
Okay. It's like a pager. Okay.
It says the date and the time.
Yeah. So who will tell me? Asma? Asma, tell me, is it an electronic device or not? Electronic device? Yes. Should I mark tick or should I mark wrong? Tell me, should I mark tick or should I mark wrong?
It's an electric device.
Tick it. Okay. Now, I want Rufaida to answer this. Rufaida, chair. Chair is electronic device or not? Is it electronic?
No, ma'am. No, it is not, ma'am.
Yes. I will not click here. Now, I want, wait. Now, I want Ibrahim to answer. Ibrahim, what is this? What is this?
Can I answer only the robots? Ma'am, I like robots.
Yes, what is it, Ibrahim? It's a
Phone.
I did not understand this part.
cell phone. So it is an electronic device. Now, Yasir.
Ma'am, not here. I did not mute everyone.
Okay, who's saying who under chance? Tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you mute everyone?
We are not muting. Wait. Just a second.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Yasir.
Can I tell?
Everybody mute yourself. Kids, mute yourself. Kids, mute yourself. Yes. Now, Yasir will tell the answer. After a long time, he will answer. Chalo, Yasir. What is this?
Apple iPhone.
Oh, it's an iPhone. Very nice. So it's an electronic device or not? Tell me. Yeah?
Electronic device.
Yes. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the difference between these two phones?
Because the
I won't wait. I want Asia to answer. Asia, I want you to answer.
Is
Yeah.
is a home phone and the iPhone
Wait.
is
No. This is not working. This is not working. First, mute yourself. Everyone, mute yourself. Muted. Okay.
Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am.
Kabir.
Can I say?
No. I want only Kabir to answer. He didn't answer.
Yeah.
No,
Ma'am,
wait, Asia.
Asia.
Asia, I'll give you the next chance. Kabir, please.
Yes, ma'am.
unmute. Yes, I want you to tell me what is the difference between these. They both are cell phone. Do you agree? They both are cell phone.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference
Yes,
between
ma'am.
these two cell phones?
One is smartphone and another is a normal phone.
Oh, lovely. Do you have this thing, the feature of touch screen and all that in this phone? No, you cannot. Right? Whereas in this phone, it's making a job more easier.
My
Yes.
turn.
Okay.
My turn.
Asia, I want Asia to answer. From when she's saying me, she wants to answer. Asia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo. Next one. Is it an
Ma'am, I
electronic
want to say Madhyam Gola. I want to say.
device? Okay. Mariam Gola, then Amna say it. Okay? Asia, tell me. Is it an electronic device? Is it a machine? It's a whiteboard, beta. It's not. Chalo. Mariam Gola, your turn. What is it? Tell me, what is it?
Not an electronic device.
Yes. Should I tick mark over here? Should I tick mark? No.
No.
Okay. Amna, your turn. What is this? Amna.
Electronic device.
But you have to tell me what is it, beta. You have to tell me what is it. Think. Look, how is it looking? It walks like this. I have a question for you. Robot. Okay, it's a robot. Okay, next I want who would answer this. Asma. Asma will answer this. Who, me? Who's saying that me? Who's saying that me?
Ma'am, I already answered.
Okay, Mariam Mohammad Ismail. Mariam, from when you have raised your hand. Now next is your turn. Tell me, what is this? Yeah, Mariam, tell me what is this?
Ma'am, I don't.
Yeah, tell me what is this?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Who knows this? Who knows this? What's this? Who knows this?
It's a watch. It's a watch.
Yeah, it's a watch. So, but how it is different from the ordinary normal watch? Who will say me that? How is it different from the normal?
It's a touchscreen watch.
Yes, who said that? Who said that?
Asma.
Very nice, Asma. Very nice. Smart watch. Like your phones have become smarter, so women watches have become smarter. What all they can do for you? Anybody, what all they can do for you? Tell me. Okay. Who have used the smartwatch? Who have used the smartwatch? Yeah, Asma.
They can let you see
What?
the
Do you have any idea? How does smartwatch help you? What smartwatch does?
They act like a real phone.
Okay.
But they are
Asma, very
small.
nice. Anybody else? What does smartwatch do for you? Hello, Mifra. How are you? Yeah. What does, yeah. Okay. Nobody knows what smartwatch does for you? Yeah. Okay. What it does when listen, calculate if you're walking. Everybody mute yourself. Everybody
Number of steps.
Okay. What does smartwatch do for you? Tell me. Nobody? Nobody knows what does smartwatch do for you? It helps now. Whatever steps you are walking helps you to calculating. Okay, tell me what is this? Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Mifra, tell me what is this? Mifra, you have to answer this. What is this?
A calculator.
Very nice. It's an electronic device or not? Tell me.
It is.
Yes. Chalo, we'll move ahead. Okay. Now come to this. Write the use of the following IT devices. Everybody first mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Okay. First, I would like Kabir to answer. Kabir, how does GSM phone help you? GSM phone are your normal phones, beta. With those red button and green button. Yeah.
Ma'am, I could not hear you, ma'am. You can please mute everybody.
Okay, okay.
Normal.
Ask Uncle.
Now everybody.
Normal phone.
Yes, normal phone. Chalo. Now, that's not normal phone. That's a smartphone. Okay. Now we will do an activity. Okay. The activity is, listen. You have to get me the electronic device that helps you in calculation. That helps you for calculation. Unmute yourself and tell me.
Calculator.
Ma'am, phone.
Yes. And nobody else? Nobody else knows the answers? Even Ayat got the phone. What about you, Rufeda?
Ma'am, calculator.
So show me calculator. Do you have calculator in your home?
Laptop.
Yeah, you have it. Chalo, go. Go get it. Let me see who will have it.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Okay, Mifra. Mifra is showing me. Lovely. Lovely, Mifra. Even Asia. Very nice, Asia. Chalo. Now.
Calculator in laptops.
Yes. Calculator in laptops. Now. Very nice. Now, take a book. Take your book. Will everyone take your book? Take your book. Okay. I want you to draw 6 electronic devices. 6 electronic device. Fast. Let me see. In 10 minutes, who does it? Rufaida, turn on your camera. Mariam Sheikh, turn on your camera. You have to try. Try. Hello, Mariam. How are you?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
one moment. I bring the book.
Okay. Chalo, draw. Let me see who can do it. Fast. Rufaida, turn on your camera. Beta Mariam, turn on your camera.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how to draw calculator?
Draw it in your whatever you feel like, whatever you can draw. It's okay. Okay? According to your understanding. I'm not asking you get me perfect drawing. Okay? However you can draw it. Chalo, give a try. 6 electronic device. 6. Then we will go to scratch. Let me see how many electronic device my kids know. Ayat, you have to sit at your place and you have to draw. Let me see how good your drawing is.
Ma'am, one moment. Ma'am,
Yeah?
one moment, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. Tell me what happened to Faida.
Just I I don't know how to do calculator. Can you just
Draw any other device. Draw
share
any.
the screen of the
Okay. Listen,
screen.
Rufaida, I didn't
Part
tell you you
four.
have to draw calculator only. I told you draw 5 to 6
Ma'am.
electronic device which you know.
Ma'am.
Which you know
Already drawed
electronic
4.
device. Yes, Asma.
I already drawed 4.
Okay, fast, draw it fast. You have 5 minutes more. Chalo, let me see.
5 or 4 or 6.
5 or 6. Either draw 5 or 6. Come on, draw. You kids love drawing, na? Wow, you all are doing so sincerely. Love you all. Very nice to see you doing your work so sincerely. That is the reason I asked you to draw. Faida, turn on your camera. Mariam Gola, turn on your camera. Asiya, turn on your camera. If I won't see, yes, nice. Rufaida, turn on your camera. Asiya, turn on your camera. Oh, wow, Ibrahim. Okay, nice, Ibrahim. What is that, Ibrahim, by the way? Calculator?
Then what is that? What is that?
Wow.
Teacher.
He's asking
Ma'am.
what is it?
That's calculator.
Wow. Okay, only one device, you know. Ayat and Ibrahim, only one device.
Ma'am,
I have asked you to draw 5. 5 devices.
Ma'am, 6 devices.
Yes, ma? I think there is some network issue. Yes. Okay. Kids, there is some network. Aisha, Asiya. Just a second. Yasir, you have to turn on your camera, then you have to speak better. Oh wow, Asma, you have drawn computer. Am I right? TV. Very nice, Asma. Very nice. Good morning, Yasir. Okay, Aisha, wait, I'm unable to see yours. Just a second. Asiya's. How many have you drawn, Asiya? How many have you drawn, Asiya?
Computer, mouse, keyboard, hotspot, mobile.
Asiya, Yahoo. Now she'll listen.
6.
How many devices have you drawn?
6.
Okay, 6. Okay, I can make out that you have drawn 6. Nice, Asiya. Chalo.
Ma'am.
Mifra, show me your drawing, Mifra.
This is calculator, this is headphone, this is a battery, this is iron, and this is a fan.
Okay, who's that? Who's that?
Mifra.
Wow, lovely. But show me your drawing once again. Show me your drawing once again. Oh, lovely, Mifra. Clap for you. Chalo, Rufaida, Asma, Mariam, Ahmed Noor. Ayat, I have seen. Ibrahim. Only one drawing you made, huh? Ibrahim and Ayat. Mifra, Asiya, and Asma.
Can I tell you what I drawn, ma'am? Can I tell you what
Ma'am,
I
I'm
drawn?
finished.
Show me Khatija. Show me.
Ma'am, can I tell you what I drawn?
Yeah.
This is a TV
Okay.
and headphones
Okay.
and then a phone, then a mouse,
Wow.
then a computer, then a laptop.
Lovely, Khatija. Excellent. Asma, you have shown me. Even your work is very nice. Keep it up. Asia has shown me. Mifra has shown me.
Say
I'm
what
waiting
they
for Rufaida
are.
or,
I want to
Maryam
say what they are.
Ismail. I'm waiting for Ahmed.
Ma'am, I want to say what they are.
Yeah, ma'am. Tell me
I
what
want to
happened.
say
What happened, Asma?
I want to tell you what they are.
But you were right, Beta. You did right. I appreciated you. Your work was very nice. You were the first person who has completed the drawing, you know. And that's so nice. Ahmed Noor, done? Beta, first 5 devices. Okay. I'm trying to make out Beta, but it's not visible. Okay, I think you have drawn 4 images, 4 drawings. 4 pictures you have drawn, Ahmed Noor. I'm telling you, I'm asking you.
I'm 6
6.
pictures.
Okay. Can you just like that's not visible to me. Okay, name it. Which all you have made, so that I'll understand.
Phone,
Okay.
calculator,
Very nice.
phone,
Very nice.
laptop.
Laptop again. Twice you have drawn laptop. You have drawn laptop twice.
Yes. One.
Okay, once. Then
Bulb.
Then what?
Bulb.
Bulb.
Light.
But that's not yeah.
Ma'am, how I have made a
Electronic
calculator,
device.
TV, battery, DVD, PC,
Who's this?
and more.
Maryam Mohammad Ismail. Very nice. Very nice. Ahmed Noor, beta.
Ma'am, how I have
Ahmed Noor, beta, don't draw bulb. Instead of bulb, draw something else.
Ma'am, how I
You can draw tablet, tab. You can draw tablet now, tab. Right? That is also one smartwatch. Yeah?
Ma'am,
Rufaida, I'm waiting for you. Rufaida.
ma'am, see.
Amna. Oh, lovely Amna. 5 devices, right? 5 devices. Lovely. Wow, Rufaida, excellent. Look at a drawing. Very nice, Rufaida. Very nice. Lovely. Maryam Mohammad, even your drawing. Lovely. I just loved it.
Ma'am, Kabir.
Okay, Kabir, na? I'm unable to see Kabir. And yeah.
How much I draw?
Look at Kabir's drawing. So lovely. Excellent work. My goodness. Okay, what I'll do, I'll merge ICT with drawing only because you guys are very good with drawing. So whatever kind of concept I'm explaining in ICT, I'll ask you to draw. So that skills will also get enhanced. That will, okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, I'll just give introduction for this. Look, last, yeah.
Draw a phone. Ma'am, draw a phone.
Okay. Mariam Sheikh, you didn't show me your drawing, Mariam Sheikh. Why so, beta?
Keyboard. This is keyboard.
Okay. Chalo. Then I'll make next. I'll start something new for you people. Because today we did revision about the parts of computer and the electronic devices. Next time we'll start something new. Very nice.
Tell you something.
What?
I have to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me, Rufaida. I'm listening, beta. Tell me.
Phone, and I draw computer, and I draw a phone, and I draw a tablet.
Very nice. I've seen your drawing. It's lovely. Lovely. Your drawing is lovely. Kabir is yours. Maryam Mohammad Ismail, Asia's, Mifra, everyone, Ahmed Noor, drawing, Ayat, Ibrahim, everyone done excellent job. Okay, chalo, meet you next week and then bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.